There's a lot to like about the Los Angeles Chargers heading into this season, but what I like most is their second-year safety, Derwin James. He was an absolute steal in the first round for the Chargers last year. He's a guy who was first-team All-Pro as a rookie, a rare feat, and he totally deserved it. This is what you want from a safety in the modern NFL. He can line up anywhere. James can line up near the line of scrimmage, he can screw up your run game, he can screw up your pass game. We saw him and all of his talents on display in that wildcard win against Baltimore when he really wrecked the Ravens offense. Safeties rarely win Defensive Player of the Year. That usually goes to the guys who get the sacks. But I think James is a rare type of talent who could be in the mix for a Defensive Player of the Year award in his career. He's an outstanding talent and one of the most fun players to watch in the NFL.